All right, so we are going to start with the online store, and we are going to themes. And you already know I always choose Dawn. It's already there, as you can see. You'll click customize, and I always start at the top, work my way from the top to bottom. So I'm going to start with the header. I'm going to go ahead and change the color scheme to black, just because you know black is like luxury color. I'm going to enter my own text in the text heading announcement, and yeah, I'm going to change that. Every now and then I do like to switch back and forth to mobile because most people are on their mobile phone when shopping, so yeah. And now I'm going to upload my logo straight from my laptop. And after that, I'm going to blow up the logo because it is pretty small. So I'm just going to go ahead and adjust the size. And then from there, I am going to change the color scheme of the footer. And then I'm going to Canva. I'm going to start designing the banners. So I always change the color to black. Then I'm going to turn down the spacing, the grid spacing. Then I'm going to import my photos that I got from my vendor because I do make dropshipping websites, if anybody was wondering. So this is like actual photos from the actual vendor that I use for my pre-made dropshipping boutiques. You can click the link in the description to view all pre-made dropshipping stores and even this luxury Shopify website. So after that, I'm just going to scoot the words in the middle, kind of center it, just because, I don't know, it looks like it just goes, it's flowing together, you know, the fonts and the words. And then I'm going to add like some small heading text at the bottom. I made this up in my head. It just seems like it goes with the website, like elegance, grace, and class is what I said, I believe. So yeah. Then here I'm gonna just go ahead, do the line spacing because that makes it looks a little bit more flowing together when you adjust the line spacing with the like letters. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Then we're gonna download the banner and get that uploaded onto Shopify. Once downloaded, I'm going to click image banner. I'm going to click upload image straight from my laptop like I did the logo. And then I'm going to add the banner, and I always turn down the can I pronounce this? Opacity. Oh Lord. Yeah, the darkness, I always turn it down. Then I adapt to the first image just so the banner can fit the website. Then after that, I hide all the words because obviously we don't need that. We made our own custom banner words in a way. So yeah. And I'm going to change featured products to featured collection. So right here, I did add some stock photos to add to the website to make it look like a little bit more better. I added a purse from a vendor, which I know and used a dropshipping vendor. I added a luxury purse, and then I'm going to go back and add luxury statement earrings. And the sizing of the photo is a little weird, as you can see. So that's why I went back and adjusted the photo to match the size of the purse. So that's what you're going to see me here do. Go back and edit the photo. And if you don't know, you can edit photos on Shopify, the sizing and everything. So that's what I'm doing here. Resizing the photo, clicking square. And at the end, I'm going to save this and re-upload that back. Now you can see the sizing of the photos are pretty much equal. Now I'm going to design banner number 2. Made the background black, of course. Then I'm going to upload some photos. I end up using one of Canva images just because it seemed like it went more with the, the website. So that's what you're going to see me do here. Add more photos and insert more stock photos. And then I'm also going to highlight, first I'm going to lock the background because it keeps moving. If you didn't know, you can lock pictures in Canva. But then I'm going to duplicate the letters and the words just because it's easier, and bring that down to the bottom so I can edit that. And it's, somewhat of this, pretty much the same font, pretty much. So here I'm adding the other stock photo, which I got on Canva. So yeah, I added that and then started messing with the words and changed the actual wording. I changed it from new arrivals to top quality, just to, make the banner look different. And then I am going to design one more banner at the very end. Then I'm going to duplicate again just to put like the website at the bottom, or what would be my client's website. So I just did, www. The name of the actual website that I designed and made up. Like I said, random name I made up just Googling luxury store names. After that, I'm going to download the banner, go back to online store and customize my theme. Going to upload the second banner, then I'm going to work on the third banner after this. And then I'm going to use another stock photo image, add it to the banner, and then I'm going to turn down the transparency just to make it dark. That's why you always want to make sure before you turn down the transparency that the actual background photo already has a color attached, so that color will show as you turn down the brightness of the photo. Then I'm going to just add some more text. And yeah, keep designing. This is the first font that I wanted for the Black Friday. I end up not liking this font, y'all, so I actually went back and changed it. But yeah, this is the way that it came out. So I did add logo name at the top just in case, any of my clients wanted to edit the website. It's very editable in Canva. As you can see, everything can be changed. So yeah, this is just me adding the 50% off discount. And then I'm going to upload this banner back in Shopify. And as always, I'm either turning up or down the line spacing or the letter spacing, just to be sure the letters have that enough space so it's not too, crunched up. Just looks better when it's like spaced out, the letters. And then I go back to Shopify. I'm going to upload the third banner. I go to add section, and then I added an extra banner, and now I'm going to upload that, and the website is about done. And always going to adapt to first image and hide the, the other extra words, because we do not need that. And you can view this website, link in the description, and then yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Link in the description to view my pre-made website if you want to check it out, or if you want to buy it. It is for sale. It is a drop shipping website if you want to drop ship. It also comes with a checklist, business plan, target audience, marketing plan, and all of that. So yeah.